So, with the current volatility, one thing that I always say to folks, the markets fluctuates, and sometimes they fluctuate a lot. So you go up, come down. So when we sit down with clients, the objective is always we're not worrying about the short-term fluctuations. And the reason why we can afford not to worry about the short-term fluctuations, when we do the comprehensive planning, we make sure that we factor that in. For example, one way I always explain to my client, let's just say, for example, today, Lydia, you decide to buy a home. And then you go in, you put your down payment in, and then 30 days later, you acquire a home. If something happened in the market, whereas real estate prices drop by 20% overnight. It doesn't happen in real estate like this. I think 2009 it did. But, real estate prices do fluctuate as well. So let's just say that the value of the home is 10% less than what you pay for. And somebody called you and say, hey, Lydia, I think you just bought the house for 1.2. I want to offer you $1 million for it. Are you going to sell it? 9 out of 10 is no. Because you bought the house, you have a 30-year mortgage on it, you're not going to worry about the price dropping 10%. It's the same thing I said to folks, especially when you invest in the market. Your plan cannot be an overnight plan. You see the latest headlines, either the administration did something or Congress says something, and then the market is reacting to it. You do not. So that's why in order for you not to worry about it, you have to make sure that your plan is comprehensive. That's number one. Number two, you want to make sure that you have the right advisor in your corner to keep you from harming yourself, because sometimes people harm themselves by doing the wrong thing at the wrong time, and sometimes it's permanent. There's nobody that can undo it. For example, if you have an asset that has declined and you sell it, once declined for whatever reason, it could be because you needed the fund, or it could be that you were just scared. Even though 2 days later or 2 months later the asset comes back up, you banked in that loss permanently. So when you have the right advisor in your corner, it helps you. And